Hello, in this particular video, I will show you how we can upload a file in Office 365 and then run a lag analysis using the XLMiner add-on on the Office 365. And finally, I will show you how we can look at the lag plots from this particular platform. So the first thing I will do is I will go and log in to my Office 365, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. You can see my name on the right hand corner. So the first thing I will do is I will go and show you how we can upload a particular file. Now if you click on this file at the top and bottom and top left, you will see a list of recent documents that were open. Now, if it is not, if the file you're trying to open is not a part of this particular list, you want to click on More on OneDrive for Business. We use OneDrive for Business at Texas Tech. You may see a different platform, but typically it's a OneDrive, given that it's a Microsoft platform you're talking about. And then you will see a bunch of files here. Now in this particular list, I would like to obviously select a particular file from this particular folder. Now if the file is not listed here, then obviously you can upload the file from your machine by clicking on upload button on top. So what I will do in this particular video is I'm going to open the Amtrak file, this Amtrak passenger file, which I have used in various lectures. This is a ridership file where from the Amtrak train company, where we have monthly ridership in thousands from January 1991. So the next thing I will do is we have to make sure if it is not converted, if you get any kind of message like this, we will definitely make sure that you convert to the particular format your machine needs. The next thing I will do here is I'm going to now, instead of partitioning or anything, I'm going to just do a lag analysis. To do a lag analysis, you can go to ARIMA and you will see the lag analysis. And once again, lag analysis is typically used to determine whether we have any kind of autocorrelations in our data set. Autocorrelations means correlations with lag terms. Now typically you would do that to know whether the best model you have identified is really the best and whether the errors is really error. So although in this case I'm demonstrating this using the actual data set, but in most cases we will use the lag analysis on the errors of your best forecasting models to see whether your errors are really free from any kind of autocorrelations. So in this case, it looks like it has read the file properly, and you can see the data range is correct. And we are trying to determine the lag analysis of ridership. So I'm going to select ridership from left and click on right, move it here. And then you can change the lag from 0 to 22. Now, typically for most cases, I normally use 12. But if there's a reason you want to look at more than 12 lags, definitely you should consider changing that particular number. Now, once again, changing this particular number will not change your calculations. However, it will change the plots you can observe. So in this case, I will only see the autocorrelation values or correlation values just until lag 12. Next, I'm going to select ACF and PACF plot, and I will click OK. So this is what we typically will do to do any kind of lag analysis. The next thing is if you click on this TS lag, that is the new tab you will see in the bottom spreadsheet. Now this is obviously the output from this particular function. One thing you will not see here is looking at the ACF and PACF plots. Now you do see the correlations, but without the plot, you will not know whether which lag terms are significant and which are not. So to look into that, you just have to click on this tab, this function called charts under analysis beside data mining. If you click on these charts, you will see options. So for example, in this particular case, in this particular worksheet, our TS worksheet, we have the ACF plot. If you want the PACF plot, we also have that. Now, we have obviously used non-partitioned data, so everything is training. Okay, so that's why you see ACF and PACF plots. And obviously, looking at these graphs, you can then figure out, how many, lag terms you want to consider in your, let's say, analysis moving forward. Anyway, this is a short video just to show you how you can upload files on Office 365. And then just using a lag analysis, using this cloud Office 365 to figure out how to get these plots. Thank you for watching this particular video.